Hey guys, welcome back to Jason and Joni Builds. We're in the shop today working on the 66 Bronco project. We've got our Kinser Engineering or Krawlers Edge family cage that we're gonna stick in and try to start looking at it, see what we need to do to tie it to the frame. And I got my girls out here, they're gonna help me install it. So you guys stay tuned. Hey guys. Hi guys, so here we are. I've got my youngest daughter Madison. She's going to be our camera girl here in a little bit. Presley and Joni are going to give me a hand getting this cage set over into the Bronco. So she wants to come out here and help Daddy a little bit, so this will be something that she can do to help. So Presley's coming back. We'll get her and get this thing stuck in. Alright, we're gonna, you get a bar each, watch where we're going. Ready? Okay, we're gonna have to go a little higher. Stop real quick. Alright, go ahead. All right. Thank you, girls. Look at that. Smile. Get a big smile. Get over here. Smile. Smile. All right, guys. The girls helped me get the cage in. You saw that. And I have to say, this is one of the very few things I've bought for this Bronco that fit. It absolutely fits great. You know, for the floor to be new, everything to be new, really couldn't ask for it to fit any better. I was scared, and when I was talking to Emily about it, I was actually trying to get her to send me the base plates loose, so if I needed to adjust the feet, I could, but she said they sent them welded out, and it didn't need anything. It fits great, so I'm thrilled. As you guys can see, it's nice and flat. This is great. You know, this corner sits flat. And it's really looking good. They send backing plates, so when you get it drilled through the floor, this comes up from underneath, and what that does is that pinches all this steel together, so all the energy goes into all your spot welds, rather than just trying to punch it through or just having a washer on the back side and it pull the washers out. So I did go ahead and put 2 bolts up front, and I did have 2 little spacers up here just to get it, trying to get this thing aligned with the windshield. But I imagine everyone's going to have that, you know, just to kind of fine tune it to the Bronco. So I love it. This is great. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark it, and we'll start at one corner. What I want to do is sort of get my windshield lean first, and I'll look at the door and get the gap in the windshield and the door right. I'll go ahead and drill one corner over here, and then that way I can come to this side and I can move it, we'll mark it and drill it and get it placed, so that way the windshield is right and we're you shut the door and you have the right gap. And I've never installed one of these, so this is how I'm going about it. So if I'm not going right, y'all let me know in the description. But this is how we're gonna do it. So let me get a Sharpie and we'll start making some marks. Okay, we've checked our gap here. I'll look at it one more time. That's good. So the cage is spaced the same. It's just over an inch on each side off of the side rails. And like I said, this thing just fits unbelievable. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill my first bolt. And they ship this thing with all grade 8 fasteners. Let's see if that's good. Alright, this one's good, so I'm going to go to the other side and we're going to check the gap on it, get one bolt drilled and get it locked down, and then we can finish drilling the rest. Alright, so what I'm doing now is getting my passenger side. I don't know if you guys can see that. When I pull the cage, the windshield is sort of moving over here. And I just want I want the windshield and the door frame to match. So I just have to pull it just a little bit, keep a little pressure on it. And mark it. So I can see it relax and then move. That's it. Now I'm just going to drill the back. I'll go get all these tied down and I'll come back and drill the front, and then we'll put our backing plates on underneath. We'll cinch it all down and the cage is in. I'm going to do one bolt at a time, because if I just mark it as tight as I'm making these bolt holes, if I get it off at all, you'll never get the bolts through it, all the bolts at one time. So we'll just drill it, place the bolt, drill it, place the bolt till we're done. Alright guys, so under here we take our backing plate, on, take a flat washer, that's applied, grade 8 flat washer. Lock washer and grade 8 nut. And then we just repeat this all the way around. Alright guys, I know this was kind of a short and sweet video. You'd think installing a roll cage would be a lot more labor intensive, but this has actually been pretty easy. You know, set it in here, line it up, get your measurements, line up your frames at your doors, mark it, drill it, and tighten it down. It's that easy. I'm super impressed. I love it. I love the look. This is exactly what we're looking for. I love the safety for my girls. We can all have 3-point harnesses. So another big step finished up this weekend. Appreciate you guys sticking with me, tuning in. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Hope you have a great weekend. Stay cool. Y'all take care.